Experiencing a frustrating system error crash dump while immersed in your League of Legends gameplay? Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got your back with a comprehensive guide on resolving the system error crash dump issue in League of Legends. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Close all Riot client processes using the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager if it's not visible. Locate processes related to Riot client. Right-click on each process, Riot client 32-bit, and choose End Task. Reopen League of Legends to check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Delete old config and log files of League of Legends. Open File Explorer and navigate to your League of Legends installation directory. If unsure, open Riot client, go to My Games and select League of Legends. Click on the profile icon, then Settings to find the install path. In File Explorer, go to the League of Legends installation folder and delete the config and logs folders. Reopen League of Legends and check if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Allow League of Legends through your firewall. Type Firewall in search bar and select Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings and then allow another app. Browse to the League of Legends installation directory, select League Client and click Open. Ensure League of Legends is selected and click Add. Check the boxes next to League of Legends and hit OK. Restart your computer to apply changes and resolve the issue. So there you have it. That's how you tackle the system error crash dump problem in League of Legends. If this video was beneficial, don't forget to hit the like button. Any lingering questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll respond promptly. Thanks for tuning in.